darlings, and welcome back to my channel. Yeah, guys, seems I'm eating a lot these days. Yes, I love food. Like I told you guys, I'll be doing some mukbang on my channel because of the fact that I love food. So that's why you're seeing another mukbang video today. So guys, before we go on, thanks to all my old and new subscribers, and if you are new and just passing by for the first time, please do not leave without clicking on the subscribe button down below, and do click on the notification bell because it will definitely notify you anytime I upload a new video. So today's mukbang video is going to be Nigerian Banga soup, also known as the Ofe Akwu with Garri. It's a pity I don't have starch. I would have loved to use starch with it. That's typical daytime food, and I am proudly daytime. Yes, we cook this soup too, just like the Igbos cook it. They call theirs Ofe Akwu. Ours is Banga soup and starch. It really goes well when you taste it. Oh my god. And for my previous video, the get to know me video, where I told you guys I love head of fish, so this is the head of fish. This is what I mean when I say I love head of fish. So you guys are going to watch me demolish this head of fish and this Ofe Akwu. This is actually supposed to be like a seafood banga because I use the tilapia fish, I use some shrimps, I love our shrimps, I use a bit of beef, I use bomon, which is cow skin. So guys, let's get down to business and eat this food. Enjoy. Oh, in case you guys are wondering why my eba is small, guys, you know that I'm washing my weight, but I still have to eat. I'm washing my weight. Let's get down to business. I'm trying to make some eating sound. Like I said, I use beef. This is the beef with the bone. Another thing I love is bones. I don't know if I told you, but I love cracking bones. This soup is delicious. And this is the fresh banga. My mom brought it when she came the other time. I know it's been long, but I kept it in the freezer and it was preserved. It's nice, still fresh. The palm fronts, or how do they call it? The palm fruits, those banga fruits. So I made it today. And the soup is delicious. So guys, I love food. You can't blame me, especially now that I'm breastfeeding. Food, I'm trying to lose some kilos, but I can't help it. Come and join me, guys. Food is life, I'm telling you. Simply natural. You see what you've caused with this mukbang video. You're making me remember all my Nigerian food. In case you're wondering who Simply Natural is, she's a fellow YouTuber who does a lot of mukbang videos. Oh my god, you have to watch her mukbang videos. You feel like eating everything you have in the house. Please head over to our channel. Shrimps lover. Oops. I used to be a slow eater. But ever since I had kids, there's nothing like slow anymore. You have to be fast before your kids come to the store. Now the little one is sleeping and the other one is in school. So hobby is at work. So like I said, this soup, guys, banga soup, is a typical Delta soup. Yeah, the Igbos eat it too, but while I was growing up, I always known that Deltas love banga and stash. You can't go to any traditional Delta wedding or marriage ceremony without you seeing banga and stash. Oh my god, they make it so nice that I just love it. Guys, almost finished. Only it's small Garri. I do portion control now because I'm losing weight. I love my African food. Well guys, some of my subscribers don't actually like Mukbang videos. It's okay if you don't like Mukbang videos. You can actually watch other videos in my channel. So finished. Now I'm going to deal with these ones here. This is what they call biscuit bones. I won't lie to you, when we were growing up, we used to call it biscuit bone. After I became older, I learned it's called biscuit, not biscuit. Okay, whatever. I'm going to deal with this head of fish today. Funny enough, you know my mother-in-law loves head of fish like me. First white woman I'm seeing that loves head of fish. When we are out together during the holidays, I mean my mother-in-law and I, everybody knows two of us. It's like we are always doing competition for head of fish. And even cracking bones. Yes, she loves to crack bones too. So when she wants to buy fish, bones, she buy them in excess for both of us. When everybody might have finished eating, you see just two of us left. Cracking bone, eating head of fish, laughing about it and discussing. Some people like the eyes of the fish. I actually don't like it. trying to eat like an ajebo here. I'm not eligible. Correct backo. So guys, as you can see, I'm almost done now. By the way guys, if you want to see how I made this recipe, this banga soup recipe, you can check it out on my cooking channel, Cooking with Annie, or I will have it here on my main channel, how to cook banga soup, Ofe Akwu. So guys, as you can see, this is what is left. This is the bones from the head of the fish. I demolished everything. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I do hope you enjoyed seeing me eating this banga soup and eba. Please, if you do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all in my next video. Thank you.